Should we pile them up around you now?
Yes.
Should we stack them up really high?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, that's a big stacker. Okay, are you going to throw them away? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Nice sunny day, huh, Drew?
This is Maria.
Yeah, it's a little something. Say it's a sunny day.
Go away. Trucks.
Are you going to hide your truck in there? Whoa, there, it's buried.
See if I own a truck.
See if I can find the truck.